Hi everybody, JC with Stoner Car Care. Spring has finally sprung. Today we're talking about pollen in the air, making you sneeze but worse, landing on your car. Today we're going to talk about the negative effects of leaving on too long and how to safely remove it from your car's surfaces. Be sure to like and subscribe for our content. Before we get started, let's talk about the science behind pollen. Pollen is the key to a plant's reproductive cycle. This yellowish substance contains millions of microscopic reproductive cells that transfer from one plant to another. Pollen is transferred via wind, water, insects, birds, or other animals, and to make this journey, pollen spores are extremely durable. The look of pollen is unappealing, but the effects on your car's exterior are much worse. Pollen particles have small thorns that help it attach to other plants and can attach to your car as well. These thorns can damage your car's exterior if scrubbed improperly during removal. Pollen also contains acidic elements that are activated when water is applied through rain, humidity, and morning dew. The risk of pollen damaging your car rises as more time passes. Address pollen as fast as possible to avoid any potential damage. Cleaning your car at least once a week during pollen season will go a long way in protecting your car's exterior. What you're going to need is a hose and a 2-bucket wash system, a car shampoo, a wash mitt, a wax sealant or final coating for your car, your favorite applicator pad, and a microfiber drying towel. So the first step in safely removing pollen from your car is to do a traditional car wash like you do in your driveway. The only difference here is you want to focus on the lubrication, so use extra water, extra soap, just to make sure that pollen doesn't dig into your car and scratch it. As for a normal car wash, you don't want any extra pressure on the surface. That can lead to scratching. That same thing happens with pollen. So use as little pressure as possible and let the soap and the shampoo and your microfiber do all the work for you. As per usual, when you're washing, start from top to bottom. When removing pollen, just make sure you pay attention to these extra cracks and even places like behind your gas cap. So now that your car is washed and we've safely removed the pollen from the surface, now we just dry our car as a prep step for our sealant, and that'll protect your car's surface from pollen falling down in the future. Final step, we're going to apply a sealant to this car just to protect it from future pollen and oxidation coming from the outside. Today we're going to be using Stoner's Visible Shine, which is a synthetic sealant. Has a little bit more grip, a little bit more durability than a traditional wax. Also gives great beating and protection for all the elements. And that's it for the exterior of your car. If you're going above and beyond, you might want to check your air filter or your cabin filter. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.